तो इस पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग का स्केल है C शार्प माइनर और इसका टाइम सिग्नेचर है 4/4। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो की फर्स्ट लाइन से, लेट्स ड्रिफ्ट इनटू म्यूजिक। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम चुट्टामाले, प्रोफेशनल पियानिस्ट, कंटेंट क्रिएटर एंड आपका पियानो कोच। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं इसकी फर्स्ट लाइन से। द फर्स्ट लाइन, हियर वी गो। काफी आसान से है, एक एक करके सीखेंगे। द फर्स्ट लाइन, अब यहाँ पर आई वोंट बी एबल टू सिंग द लिरिक्स बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट माय मदर टंग, सो आई वोंट बी एबल टू मैं कुछ रॉन्ग प्रोनाउंस कर दूं या फिर कुछ गलत सिखा दूं। इससे अच्छा आई विल फोकस ऑन नोट्स एंड यू विल फोकस ऑन द लिरिक्स एज वेल। ठीक है, लिरिक्स स्क्रीन पे जरूर दिखेंगे लेकिन मैं बोल नहीं पाऊंगा। ठीक है, हैवी गो। काफी आसान। सी शार्प, D sharp, E, F sharp, E, D sharp. Then chord, G sharp minor, C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, C sharp. Now next line, 3 बार D sharp, then D sharp, F sharp, E. So 3 times D. This is how we go. Then D sharp, C sharp, C sharp, D sharp, and chord will be B. Now we'll have to repeat this same line. Now comes the next line. Right? So these are the two lines. Slowly, step by step. G sharp and chord. So chord ka there is a progression. C sharp minor, G sharp minor, A and B. So this progression continues throughout the song. So the lines are right. Slowly. G sharp note and chord is C sharp minor. G sharp, F sharp, E. So here we go. Then E, G sharp, F sharp, F sharp. So F sharp, E, D sharp, F sharp, A, E. Right? Then next line. Here we go. Now next line. Right? E, D sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, E, F sharp, right? Then again repeat. यहाँ पर there is a minor change. Instead of this, we'll do, see, then same. initially what we're doing earlier. But now and the rest of is same. Now comes the next line. काफी आसान. E, G sharp, F sharp. The F sharp is 2 times. E, G sharp, F sharp, F sharp. E, G sharp, F sharp, F sharp. Right? Then, see? So instead of playing F sharp 2 times, now we'll play 3 times. Then E and D sharp. Now chord progression. Now next line. E major chord. Four times C sharp, G sharp and F sharp, F sharp. Right? So the whole line goes. Now next line. F sharp minor chord. One, two, three, four. G sharp, F sharp. F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp. Here we go. Now this is the only part where we have shifted from the progression and added a chord which is not inside the progression, right? Earlier what we're doing, C sharp minor, G sharp minor, A and B. These were the 4 chords of the chord progression. Lekin right now in this particular line we have shifted from the chord progression. And F sharp minor. Now how this goes, let's see. Now again we'll continue this line, right? So here we go. This is almost similar paragraph, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत minor सा change किया है, वो हम देखते हैं. काफी आसान. Now next line. काफी आसान. Now काफी आसान. Then comes the next line. काफी आसान. Right? So let us go through this whole paragraph together. Now comes the main part. So here we go. काफी आसान. C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, E, D sharp. Then chord change. F sharp, E, D sharp. Right? Now next line. Right? Now A chord. This line is already similar. So we go. Now comes the next line. The chord is B major. G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp. Then go F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp. So we go. Here we go. So the whole goes. So this is how you learn this song. Now I know there is another antara which is there in this song, lekin for this video itna hi, because this was the main part which everybody wants to learn, and that I have taught you very well in this video with the step-by-step notes and with chords. Okay? So now if you want to learn how do you play songs by yourself, because this song was taught by me. Okay? ऐसे अगर कोई और song सीखना, then you'll have to learn it from another YouTube channel या फिर another teacher. Okay? So what if I tell you कि you can play your song, your favorite song, just by listening to it. No need of any notation file, no need of my YouTube video, no need of any other YouTube video or any other teacher. You can just listen to the song and identify which suits are being played in the song, and you play that on your keyboard. Okay? Within 5 minutes, within 10 minutes. In fact, there are some cases where you listen to the song, put your hand on the keyboard and directly you play that song. Okay? And this is possible with the help of ear training. Ear training एक ऐसा concept है जहाँ पर there are certain steps, there are certain frameworks which needs to be followed. ठीक है? After following that, your ears are so much trained कि आप जो सुनते हो सुर को, जो सिंगर गा रहा है, उस सुर को आप आइडेंटिफाई अपने आप कीबोर्ड पर कर लोगे. एंड इसी को सिखाने के लिए आई हैव क्रिएटेड जीरो टू हीरो piano course. The Zero to Hero piano course is a 360-degree learning program where you learn everything from the very basics to the advanced techniques like arpeggios, ear training, and many more advanced techniques. ठीक है? और ऐसे काफी सारे और टॉपिक्स हैं. There are students, there are thousands and 10,000s of students you can say जिन्होंने इस कोर्स की मदद से अपने स्किल्स को completely transform किया. I'm not saying that. You can go to the website, you can check out the course from the description box, and you can see the results of the students. You can actually see how they are playing, you can actually see what they are saying about the course. Then you'll decide. But I bet ki once you click on the page and once you land to the landing page of our course, you can't stop yourself from enrolling in this course. Okay? Course ka link is in the description box. If you have any doubts, you can directly contact us on this number via call or via WhatsApp message, but in the working hours. And our team will happily help you in enrolling in the course. So I hope you like this video, and if you really want to transform your skills, the Zero to Hero piano course is the best one to go with. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning.